So we're currently in the car and we're off to go and see the pyramids first up, and then we're going to go see the Sphinx, do some camel riding, go quad biking. So yeah, I'm super excited for today. It's always been a dream of mine to go and see the pyramids. I mean, it's like the last ancient wonder of the world that's still standing. So yeah, thought fuck it, I'll see today and go see them. Really, really hot here. It's way nicer than England. I mean, England is horrible right now. It's just cold and rainy and grey skies. Out here, as you can see, it's really nice and sunny. So yeah, looking forward to it. Alright, so I've just arrived at the pyramids. You can kind of see one behind me. I'm going to be going inside the pyramids. Now, I have been told there is not really anything in there besides just tunnels and stones. But, you know, fuck it. We're here. I'm obviously going to go inside it. So, yeah, I'll try to take you guys along with me. Though it is pretty cramped inside, I've heard. Like, tunnels are really small. We've got to be, like, crawling through them. So I don't know how much I'll actually be able to film. But I'll give it a go for sure. Here we are. It's actually crazy that people built this, you know, back when they didn't have any huge machines or anything. Maybe it was aliens. I guess we'll never know. So if you want to travel the world for free, just like me, and go see the pyramids, make sure to go down to the video description, click the link at the top. There's going to be a link to my Discord server, and also a link where you can book in a one-to-one call with me, where you can kind of see how you can get started and start doing Amazon, and yeah, start making money online just like me. Right, I don't think I'm actually allowed to take any videos in here, but I'm gonna try, even if it gets me kicked out. Currently just waiting in line to go and climb up inside the pyramids. So it's gonna be fun. So our tour guide has left us outside because she's been in here once and she said that that was plenty and she's never been back in here. And honestly, everyone that's walking past us towards the exit looks pretty relieved to be out of here. So I don't know what I signed up for really. Yeah, you climb up and then you climb down as well. Heading up. Pretty cool. Now I see why some people are complaining about it being very cramped. I am very, very cramped right now. It's honestly it's too small to kind of get this on camera, to be honest, but this is a very, very long staircase. Try and just get up this as quickly as possible. I thought we'd hit the end, but there is more. There is so much more. At least I'm not hitting my head this time, but fucking hell. This is a long staircase. I've made it to the top of that staircase, and now I'm going through these tiny tunnels. Oh my god. Oh, we've made it. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see how sweaty I am, but it was quite a journey. And it's just an empty room. It is just an empty room inside. There's nothing in here. So it's not actually even that hot outside. It's like 20 degrees. It's pretty manageable. I'm wearing a hoodie and some trousers and I'm sweating in here. It is so hot. All right, well, now we've seen it. It's time to make the descent and head back down those questionable stairs and those tunnels. So yeah, let's get into it. Back down the tunnels. Oh my god. The amount of times I've hit my head in the past 5 minutes, guys. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this from me. Now, I might be extremely sweaty and cooped up in some very scary staircase to walk down, to be honest. But just to kind of try and link it to Amazon a little bit, it's pretty amazing that I'm here right now in a foreign country, haven't paid a penny for my accommodation, and I'm able to just go and do shit like this, and also while making a lot of money from just selling random crap on Amazon. So yeah, if you want to do the same and, you know, be free to explore the world and make money online so you have no fixed location for where you work, make sure to go, Jesus, I'm out of breath. Make sure to go down to the video description, book in a little consultation call with me, and I can tell you about exactly how you too can get started and go and explore the pyramids. All right, I'm getting close to the exit now, and I completely see why everyone that's walking past us was sweating and looking quite relieved to see the light, because I'm now exactly the same. I can see the end of the tunnel. It's a lot cooler now as well, which is nice. Oh, freedom. We've done it. All right, so that's the pyramids conquered. now we're off to somewhere else and we're going to be going and riding some camels, which I actually have done already in Bali, but thought why not? It's quite an Egyptian thing, riding camels, so might as well do it again. It was great fun last time. I shall see you guys there. Right, I've acquired some sunglasses. We're here with the camels. It does smell a little bit, I'll be honest. But yeah, looking forward to it. Never done trekking through the desert before, only on a lovely beach in Bali. So it's gonna be good. Look at this guy. It's always crazy how big camels actually are compared to horses. Here we are. These guys are absolutely huge. I mean, look at the size of that horse. I don't know if it really comes across on video that well, but like double the size, these camels. And then there are the pyramids. Absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely crazy to think that I'm sitting here now on the back of a camel in the desert in Egypt, and all this started from just wanting to make, you know, £1,000, £2,000 a month at max, just to kind of get through uni. And now I've dropped out of uni and just do Amazon full time instead. I think I definitely made the right choice, because yeah, this definitely beats having to study for exams and doing assignments all the time. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so mad that these have been here for just thousands and thousands of years. It's yeah, breathtaking. Right then, camel ride has been done, and now the next stop is quad biking. So we're going to do some quad biking in the desert. Probably the thing that I'm looking forward to most, I reckon, quad biking, because just don't really do it very often, really. I think I've done it once in Thailand last year, but yeah, just sounds great, really. Quad biking in the sand dunes, what's not to love? So there it is, there's the Sphinx, and I've been informed it's actually not a lion. I mean, not a cat even, it is a lion. So yeah, what a beautiful statue. And it's all carved out of one piece of stone. Alright, just got to the place where you rent the quad bikes from, and yeah, I don't think I can film whilst driving, to be honest. But here's the quad bikes, and just know I'll be having lots and lots of fun in about 20 minutes. Oh yes, beautiful. Right, we're finished quad biking, we're on our way back to the hotel. I'm absolutely covered in dust and horse shit and other stuff, but it was fucking amazing. So good. Did manage to get a few videos, which is great as well, so those will be, well, you would have just watched them. And yeah, definitely if you're going to Egypt, I would definitely recommend going quad biking on the sand dunes, because it's probably the best thing that we've done so far, and definitely the most fun activity I've done all year. Right then, well, I am exhausted after today. It's been a, yeah, really fun day, seen the wonders of the world and done some really fun activities as well on top of that. So yeah, as I'm back now at the hotel, I just thought I'd check on my Amazon business and see how kind of things have been running whilst I have been just having fun, really. I haven't really done any work today. That is my my sales profit figures for the day, so safe to say I'm pretty happy with that. This month has honestly been possibly is going to be shaping up to be one of my best months on record. So it's February the 15th, as we can see, that is my my month to date figures. So if I can continue at this sort of pace, we're looking like we could hit probably second best month ever, sales figures wise, only beaten by October when I had the 50k month. So yeah, that is banging. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe as well, drop a little comment or whatever if you want to see more videos of this, of me not really doing anything Amazon related and just kind of enjoying the profits, I guess you could say. And yeah, again, head down to the video description. There'll be a link down there where you can join my Discord server and schedule a call with me if you want to learn more about how I actually do all this. So yeah, again, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.